Okay, it found the drives. Now it's gonna boot. This is the installation that you start for Windows 2000. You press any key on the keyboard. Any key. That means any key on the keyboard you can press. And we're going to go through the setup. It's loading the files right now. Oh, shoot. We'll get back to you when it gets to the right screen. Here it's getting ready to get set up loading. The keyboard just went off, so it's about ready. Process. Okay, now this is where you press enter to hit setup. To repair the installation, you press R. To quit setup without installing, press F3. So we're going to press enter. And then we got to go through the EULA. And we would press the enter key, and then we'd either create a partition or delete a partition. And you can read, it says press D to create a partition, to delete partition, and press C to create unpartitioned space. We already did this on this machine, so we're good. We'll just let go from there. And we showed you how to format it, I guess. We got an error. Oh wait, we got copying the files needed. There are the files. Copying. We're at 19%. I have to edit this. Now we're at 51%. And down lower in the corner, right hand corner is the files being copied. Oops. Oops. Which drive you want to load it on. So we're just gonna continue without a fresh copy. we have a Voodoo, or we have a 3D card and not a Voodoo. I was just wondering, that was just something that came to the top of my head, but we've got a 3D video card on this one. It's an old PCI one, so. Here is the Windows user setup guide here. User setup. We just click on, read the text here. We can customize and change out the keyboard layout. This is the local settings here. Let's just keep it as is and go next. We'll type in our name. We'll be right back. We'll type in the name here. Here we got the name typed in and the business, the Andy's Computer Shack, and now we're on the screen. It says type in the product key. We'll be right back with that information, and we'll click next, and we'll show you the next screen after we've typed in the product key. We'll be right back. Here we got the desktop name. We're going to change this to the computer we have here. And we may put a password. Let's put a password into this too. Alright, we'll be right back. Here's where we set up the time. We're going to do Central. And it's February 1st, 2020. 5:19 p.m. And we'll automatically change the clock. Click next. It's not doing it. There we go. Setting up the network now. We'll be right back when it gets done. Here we choose typical or custom settings. And you can customize your internet settings, but we're just going to do the typical. Click next and put it in a work group or a domain here. We're going to just change the work group name here. And we'll get it typed in. We'll be right back with that information. We'll be right back when we have it typed in. Alright, we're installing the components for Windows. Now we're copying the files from the CD drive, DVD drive we have. This will take a while, so we'll be right back. We're on the last part of setup. The installing start menu items, registering components is on currently. And then we'll save settings and remove any temporary files used. This will take a while, so we'll let it do its thing, and we'll be right back. We logged in. We just did next. Now we're going to do next, and we're going to click finish. And it automatically logged me in. This is where it froze last time I had it. It's still loading. It's a slow 200 megahertz computer I found. Now we're successfully booted. We've got Windows 2000, and here's you can register it. You can discover Windows. And we'll have to insert the CD to do that, so we'll be right back. It's still loading. Well, here's the tour of Windows 2000. We got easier to use, easier to manage, more compatible, more powerful. Let's try easier to use. We got work. Okay. I mean, here you can read that. And then we go up here to the other one. You can read that. Setup, administrator, and support. More compatible. You can read that. And then more powerful. Can you read that? This is going to be a long video. And we'll go down here to exit. And we can connect it to the internet if we want to. We'll just exit out. We'll leave this on here. Click start. It's just like Windows 95, ME, X98, XP, 2000 NT. It's got all these program accessories. Games, pinball, solitaire. That's about it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.